Hello. Welcome to the training on how to assemble your historical flag set. We're grateful to celebrate together the love for the flag and what it represents. In this training, we'll show you how to assemble the flag, how to position it in the field, and how to set up your America 250 kit. First, we assemble the flags. You will need zip ties, 2 O-rings, and the gold ball. Let's start by placing both O-rings. The purpose of the O-rings is to keep the flag extended. Place the first one at the bottom. Next, place the second one at the top. But remember to leave some space between the O-ring and the gold ball. Next, you need to place the gold ball. Twisting it as you insert can help it go in more smoothly. Between the gold ball and the O-ring, we'll attach the flag using the zip tie. Remember that the canton must be at the top of the pole, so we'll attach that end first. Pass the zip tie through the grommet. Make sure the smooth side of the zip tie is facing the pole, so it's easy to trim later. And position the zip tie between the gold ball and the O-ring. Now that we've secured the top part, we'll repeat the process with the bottom part. For the bottom part of the flag, remember to place the zip tie below the O-ring, since the O-ring will hold the flag in place, along with the zip tie. Now you can trim the zip tie, and your flag is ready to be stored and taken to the field. To store the flags, we lay them horizontally and roll them up. This helps prevent wrinkles during transportation. Whenever possible, try to keep it wrinkle-free. Once it's rolled up, you can secure it with a rubber band, and repeat the same process with each flag. Every time you finish a group of 5 flags, group them together. In this case, we recommend wrapping them in plastic and numbering the groups in order. Whether you purchase the 26 flag kit or the 250 flag kit, this will help you place the flags correctly in the field and have better control in case you make a mistake in the flag order. Although every location is different, we will show you how we have positioned this kit, so you can use it as an example for your own field. First, we measure the ground and calculate the distance we want between each flag. Once measured with a measuring tape, we mark with paint where each flag should be placed. For example, if you decide that each flag should be placed every 5 feet, follow the tape and mark a point every 5 feet. That's where your flag will go. Once you have marked all the points, it's time to place the flags. First, insert the rebars as straight as possible, so the flags won't be crooked. This way, you can tap it to make sure it's firmly in the ground. Next, we place the flags. If you grouped the flags in sets of 5, as we recommended, it will be easier to place them correctly. Take the first group and place the flags in order. Once you've placed them, double-check that they're in the correct sequence, and then proceed with the second group. It's very important to check the order after each group. That way, if you make a mistake, you won't have to rearrange all the flags, only the group of 5 you just placed. Once the flags are in place, you can start attaching the tags. Each tag should correspond to its respective flag, and attaching them is easy. It only requires a clip to connect the flag and the tag. For this field, we started placing them on the left side, following the chronological sequence in a snake-like pattern all the way to the end of the field. Now we're going to show you how to assemble and set up your America 250 kit. For this, we'll use these PVC pieces and the poles to build the structure. Remember, with this kit, you get 2 large poles for the sides and 2 smaller ones, one for the bottom and one for the top. We'll start by placing a T-piece on one of the long poles. Then we'll attach the other T-piece to the second long pole. Once both T-pieces are in place, we'll insert a small pole to connect the 2 long poles. This will form the bottom part of the structure. Now, we flip it over and repeat the process on the other side. Place the PVC connector on the other end of the pole. Repeat the same process with the other pole and reconnect them using the small pole. This should be the result. The rounded tips at the top and the T-shaped connectors at the bottom. Next, we'll attach the America 250 banner to the frame. It easily slides on from the top while someone holds the structure in place. Finally, secure the Velcro around the bottom PVC pole, and your banner is now ready to be placed in the field. You can repeat the same process with other banners, as they all follow the same instructions. To set up the America 250 kit in the field, start by placing the rebars. Position them at an outward angle as shown in the video, so that when the banner is installed, the rebars apply outward pressure to keep the banner stable and fully extended. You can rotate the banner to place the second rebar. Remember to position it at an outward angle, just like the first one. Once they're in place, press the rebars inward so you can slide the banner all the way to the bottom. We'll do the same with the America 250 banners, placing them on the sides. You can follow the same instructions, as they are installed the same way. And just like that, your America 250 kit is ready. This is how it should look next to the Declaration of Independence. Thank you for watching this video, and don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Our experts are ready to help you.